Hey guys, it's Jesper, and in today's video, I will explain exactly how you can get started with Google Ads dropshipping in 2025 from A to Z, because I believe this is the biggest opportunity in 2025 for dropshipping. If you're still running TikTok ads or Facebook ads in 2025 for your dropshipping store, you're doomed to fail. So let's get started. First of all, who am I and why do I present this today? Well, first of all, my name is Jesper. I'm a Dutch guy. I moved to Portugal 3 years ago with my dog and my fiance, and I'm expecting a little baby girl literally this week. So I need to finish this video pretty quick, okay? I've been dropshipping since 2019, and in the last 90 days on this brand new Google Ads dropshipping store, we have generated over 700,000 US dollars. And I'm gonna explain exactly what we did with this store in today's video. I've also been into the Facebook trenches, the Facebook battles. As you guys probably can see, in 2021, I was already doing 100K per day with Facebook as dropshipping, which is insane. We were doing 30 to 40K profit per day. And then the next day, boom, our ad account, business manager profile, everything got banned from the Facebook ads platform, which is insane. So I've been scaling and starting stores to 1 million plus only using Google Ads for my dropshipping stores. Here's one of the stores that I've been running in 2022 and 2023. We did 1 million in revenue and then we sold it. I've sold these multiple stores for multiple six figures. As you guys can see, all the closing statements. This one is 35K day, 35K. This one is 42K. This one is 32K. So we did 100K cash collected on just selling these dropshipping stores, and I've keep doing this over and over again. So of course, I'm really bullish on Google Ads, and I will explain exactly why in a minute. As you guys can see, Google Ads have been a God blessing to my stores, as you guys can see the results. But hey, today is about you. Today is not about me. I'm gonna explain exactly how you can do this and replicate yourself, okay? My goal for this video is how to get consistent results in 2025 with your Shopify store by using Google Ads and not Facebook ads and TikTok ads. So let's start with a short introduction why I am bullish on Google Ads. Well, let's look at the cons of Meta ads. It's very expensive. It has a lot of high CPMs. It is very competitive because it's a low barrier to enter. And as soon as you start scaling, people copy. It's so easy to copy these days and just rip your creatives and run with them. And four, it's a very inconsistent as well. The one day you maybe have rows of 4 and then the next day you have rows of 0, which is insane. This platform is very inconsistent. And the last but not least one is you have a lot of platform bans happening, like all the time. Your Facebook ad account, your Facebook profile, your Facebook business managers, it goes down. You need to pay for agency accounts, you need to pay for business managers. It's insane. It's crazy. And maybe what I did not put in here, you need to test a lot of creatives, which is insane. Spam testing products, spam testing creatives. That's literally how you can survive in 2025 with Facebook ads. On the other side, we have Google Ads, which is very cheap because you pay per click, you don't pay per impression. When people click on the ad, then you're being charged by Google, not by impressions. Secondly, it has a low competition because the barrier to enter is higher. You need to have Google Merchant Center, which sometimes is not easy, but once you have it, you have a gold mine in your hands. And third one is it is more consistent over a longer time. You cannot scale Google Ads in the first month to, let's say, 300K a month, but it will be doing at least 5K to 10K days in 3 months if you keep consistent uploading your products and keep testing more products, and of course more budget. And of course, no random ad account bans. Google Ads is really strong, very stable. You won't get banned like crazy, like just with Facebook ads, and it's pretty easy if you get banned to get it back as well. And of course, the last one, no creative and product spam testing. That's the funny thing with Google Ads. You only need one campaign and Google will tell what product is working, and Google will create the creatives for you, which is insane. So as a Google Ads dropshipper, you need to understand the fundamentals of marketing. So let's go back into 101 lessons of marketing. Top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom funnel is the complete funnel of a customer, literally going through the journey of a customer journey. So top of funnel is where the largest audience is, but it has the least ready to convert audience as well. So these people mostly are just connecting on social media and not thinking about any problems that they have or thinking about any products that they want to buy. While bottom of funnel, This is the smallest audience, but the most ready to convert. This is the easiest way to get conversions. With Facebook ads and TikTok ads, you heavily focus on top of funnel, brand awareness, while with Google, you are focusing on bottom of funnel, where literally the conversions happen. So one of the questions that I always get is, but Jesper, how do you find these winning products? Well, on Google, we don't look for winning products. We look for winning trends and winning niches. And then we look for winning stores in different markets. And then we take their products, optimize them, and scale them. Let me show you the difference in ads. This is, for example, a live ad example for Facebook when you see these summer dresses. This is all what they're doing, testing collage, testing slideshows, static ads, all for the same product, which is insane. And then you see it on Google. Pretty simple. You see all the competitors, you see the price, you see the name of the stores, you literally see everything already, which is insane. And most of these are dropshippers, by the way, as well. So how to find winning products for Google Ads dropshipping? Well, in summer, that's right now that I'm recording this video, people still buy stuff. So for example, if we look at some trends, you guys can see the festival outfit trend is popping off every time mid-summer between 30th of June and the 6th of July. So of course, people are looking for this product. It makes sense to put this on your store. And on the right, you can literally see these type of outfits on AliExpress, Alibaba. You can list them on your store and you can start printing. Another trend that is going bananas right now is barbecue. People love to barbecue and love to spend time with the loved ones in their garden when it's summer. So it makes sense that people are looking for barbecue tools. This is why I showed the barbecue grill mat here on the right, where you can grill your vegetables without literally losing your vegetables in the barbecue, or these different barbecue tools. Okay. And third but not least, and this one is really huge, is air conditioning. People love to buy air conditionings in hot summers, of course. They want to stay cool. They just don't want to be hot. This is a this is a big pain point for the market. So you're going to provide the solution by selling mini vents, for example, easy portable vents that they can take everywhere. And these are typical dropshipping products that you can sell with Google Ads dropshipping. That's what I've been doing, and I did literally a few weeks ago 30K per day with just sending air cooling product, which is insane. So if you type in summer dress for women, you can start sniping these stores. For example, this one. I'm sorry if this is your store. This store is looking amazingly. But as you guys can see, this is a dropshipping store selling this, literally this summer dress that everyone can sell, but it is looking very clean. Once you find these products and these competitors, you build up your list, your competitor list. That's what I do. If you're still watching this video and you comment something really nice, like Jesper, I love you, or Jesper, thank you for this training, I will send you this list to you for free. That's a gift, okay? Comment below under this video something nice. Then I use AI tools to make better title and descriptions. I'm not going to explain in this video how to do this because I made this YouTube video. You guys can look it up. And I use a tool named Catalyster to update the titles and the product descriptions and even the alt text behind the images to make sure my GMC is safe and I'm not copying and pasting products from competitors, but I make them unique, okay? Then the next thing that I want to talk about is the multi-feed strategy, which is insane. You guys can see year to date 735K revenue with this store. This is now, by the way, even higher. I need to update this number, but it is insane because it unlocked so much more scale potential. And you guys can see on February, I launched a few new markets and everything exploded. You guys can see here a screenshot of my store. I'm selling in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 markets on one store, which is insane. And as you guys can see, as we were recording this video, 13.5K with the store on revenue, which is insane. A lot of dropshippers do this. They literally create one store for one market. And what I do is I create one store with 10 markets. Why? It is simplification. It makes stuff so much more easy. One supply chain management system, one payment provider, one GMC, and one media buying agency, and one team. Having all seasons on one store is also very powerful because now I can sell winter, autumn, spring, summer products on one store. Because, for example, when I'm selling to Australia, right now it's winter, but on the US, it's full summer. So I can have all the seasons on one store, and this makes my income and my revenue very, very stable. So how does this look like? Well, there's just 5 simple steps that you need to take. First of all, you need to buy a .com domain because I think that works the most powerful one and because it has the most authority, okay? Second thing, you need a AI translation tool to translate your store automatically without doing any manual work. Third thing is multiple feeds in the GMC. You need to create every market one GMC feed. And then fourth is multi-currency management. This is mostly running with Shopify payments because you can accept multiple currencies from multiple markets. And then, of course, 5 is run multiple campaigns. Every market has its dedicated campaign. So here's the translation tool, how it looks like. You put in all the languages in Shopify Active. You use the AI T-Lab tool to translate everything, and your store is completely translated in Danish, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Polish. Very easy. Then, of course, we use this in-process app for the GMC creation. And with this in-process app, it's called Shopify Markets. Within Shopify Markets, you can now accept multiple markets with different currencies. So you cross-check and cross-mark every market with its currency. So Australian dollar, Canada, Canadian dollar, Germany, euro, etc., etc. Now this tool will push the feeds into the GMC. Then within Shopify payments, the only thing that you need to accept is multiple currencies. So you have local currencies on, and now you're able to collect all these currencies and people see their native currency while they're scrolling on your store. And then you see here the GMC feeds, which is insane. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 feeds here active. I think I even have more, I don't know for sure, but you guys can see all the different markets in here in the GMC. And then the ad account, pretty simple as well. Every campaign is one country. So I target Poland, Switzerland, Australia, Germany, UK, all dedicated in one campaign. This is handled by Icarus agency. You will find a link in the description if you want to have this set up. They're specialized in this setup, but this is what I've been using. So now you're active in multiple markets. And as you guys can see, we did over 750K in this store year to date with the exact same strategy that I just explained. So how did I do this? Well, I did 4 steps to make this happen. First of all, of course, we run in multiple markets. So I always say run more markets, test more markets, right? That's literally what my store, this is why my store exploded. Second thing, I'm not afraid to scale. On the beginning, the store was doing pretty fine, but at a higher scale, I needed to spend more money to unlock more scale. As you guys can see, I'm not afraid to spend 334K in just 6 months, okay? And then third thing is optimize your store. So let's start with a bad example, how a store should not look like. Well, this one. If this is your dropshipping store, please just close off this video and start building on your store because this is the most ugliest store I've ever seen. If this is yours, shame on you. I will show you now a store that I have scaled and sold and how it looks like for me. This is pretty simple, black and white, a little bit of red accent color to literally emphasize the sale, have some unique selling points like free shipping, 30-day money back guarantee, have some urgency, 47 people are watching this product right now, and of course, 15% discount when people buy 2 plus more products. That's it. Very, very simple, clear images, and this is how you can unlock scale with your store. You should be optimizing your product page and focus above the fold, everything above the fold that's here above the add to cart. People only read 80% of, 80% of the people only read 20% of your product page, which is just above the add to cart. So this is really important. The fourth thing that I did is that I optimized cost of goods and AOV. Because you cannot control the Google Ads algorithm, but you can control your average order value and your cost of goods. Here you guys can see before in May, my P&L sheet, my cost of goods percentage here on average was 34%. So if I had 10K in revenue, 3.4K I was spending on cost of goods, which is pretty high. Now I optimized it, and in June, I was spending 26% on average on cost of goods. That's an 8% increase in profit by not doing anything else, by just making sure that my cost of goods percentage went down. So by boosting your AOV, you can also boost your ROAS. And by the way, if you're asking me how did I do this, I just uplifted the price every week with €3, and I negotiated with my private supplier from Freedom Achievers to get better prices. First link is in the description. So now we're going to boost the AOV, because by boosting our AOV, it boosts our ROAS. And it's pretty simple again on this store. This link here, this text 15% discount by buying 2 plus more products, has generated me a shit ton of money. Like here on the current store that we're running, people get 10% discount when they buy 2 plus more products. I have generated over 140K Great British pounds, which is I think almost 200K USD, which is insane. And that's literally the secret sauce that a lot of people gatekeep. I have seen so much surface level content here on YouTube. People are not going into depth. So this was a very in-depth video to explain what I'm doing to crush my competition. So after this video, you understand and you have multiple markets times high OV plus low cost of goods. This is how you crush competition. And maybe this was a bit overwhelming, and maybe it was a little bit quick because I cannot share here for hours for free content. I just want to make sure that my free content is still valuable enough, but I wanted to make sure that I covered everything I wanted. So what are the next steps you need to take? Well, it's pretty simple. If you have not started yet with Google Ads dropshipping, please start now. And the best way to start is in the Freedom Achievers community, because all the stuff that I've explained, all the strategies that I just explained, maybe on surface level, I go in depth into the Freedom Achievers community. The number one and the biggest community at the moment on school, teaching you how to make 1K per day within 90 days using only Google Ads for your dropshipping store. I will show you exactly how this looks like. Here you guys can see in the community, we have a community tab where you can literally chit chat with everyone and ask all your questions and see what everyone is doing. And you guys can see if I click here on the wins, Tobias just made a first sale. So Rewas is doing 3K per day. Philip is doing 1 to 2K per day for a while. I'm very close to the 1 million revenue. You guys can see on the store, I'm very, very close. 916,000 pounds, which is insane. I will be doing the 1 million, I hope, in the next few days. Then, of course, the Google Ads Masterclass is in here. So it's fully built out. Google Ads Masterclass. What is Google Ads? How to pick your market, how to pick your niche, how to build your store, how to build your GMC. Everything is in here. And then, of course, the live calls where you can hop on a call with me, my team members, my GMC experts. We do 3 to 4 calls a week, and you can ask any questions. And of course, we have the map where you can connect with like-minded people and make sure that you scale together. Alright guys, that was it for this video. If you want to know how Google Ads dropshipping changed my life completely, watch this video. Because in that video, I show you exactly by locking in for literally 90 days, your life can change forever. See you in the next one.